so the light's still on? No worries. Let's try another quick trick.
Tell me in the comment which car should Canino Cars review next. Tap subscribe to support making video. Hit the bell for your to notify.
Ah, the dreaded check engine light. We've all seen it, but what do you do when it pops on?
You're just driving along, and that little orange light comes on. So now what? Okay, first things first, take a deep breath. Seriously, don't panic. But, and this is important, you can't just ignore it. That light is on for a reason. Good news is, the fix can be surprisingly simple. Let's start with the easiest one. All right, first up, your gas cap. Just find it and tighten it till you hear that click. Yep, a loose cap can trigger the sensor. This simple twist could be all it takes.
Okay, so the light's still on? No worries. Let's try another quick trick.
This basically reboots your car's computer. Just be sure to pull the negative terminal first.
This reset is really a test. Was it just a random glitch or a real problem? Okay, listen up, because this next part is absolutely critical. The most important question is that light steady or is it flashing? If it's flashing, pull over safely and stop. Driving could cause some major engine damage. So if the light is still on or it was flashing, it's time to dig a little deeper. You've got two main options: get a code reader or just let a mechanic handle it. Remember, that light is just a symptom. You got to fix the real problem to make it go away. So let's recap the plan. Stay calm, check the cap, know a flashing light means SOTOP, and fix the problem. Bottom line, your car is talking to you. The real question is, are you listening?
If you love cars, please subscribe to support making informational and enjoyable video. Hit the bell to notify when new video upload. If you want to ask something, just leave a comment. I will reply as soon as possible. Hope you enjoy and thank you for watching.